Hey friends, welcome back to the another video. Today we are going to talk about audiobooks, or specifically audiobooks that you should listen in today's scenario. Or we are into the lockdown, everyone is staying at the home, some people are quarantined in the home, and everyone want to spend a quality time. And the best way to spend quality time is to listen to the good stories, is to listen to the understand good stories and make our mind more mindful. What I believe is audiobooks is something that will make you a more happier person. I know most of the people don't want to listen to the audiobooks, but just think about this. Someone is doing the hard work of reading for you. You just have to just have to get your headphones, put your headphones and just start listening. So someone is doing the reading work for you. And if you are into the quarantine, if you are into the pandemic, and if you don't have that kind of energy, if you don't want to give strain to your eyes, then make sure you check out these 5 audiobooks in this lockdown. I believe that you will feel more happier when you finish these audiobooks, and perhaps you will start listening to the audiobooks in future also. First audiobook that I love is Dune, which is basically introduction to the Arrakis. It's nothing but when everyone left the earth, there are two bloodlines and they are fighting over some kind of thing. And the reason why I love this audiobook because the narration is completely great, and the way they use the science fiction novel, the way use the facts and the figures just to get into this book is really amazing. Story of this Dune book is set into the planet Arrakis, and it is a story about the boy Paul. It's all about the fight between the two family. The first one is Paul family and another family. They are going to fight about one valuable thing. So I'm not going to talk about what is that valuable thing. This book is far set into the future where there is a mystery, there is a power, there is a fight, there is adventure, and there is a background music when you listen to the audiobooks. And audiobooks is one of the best experience you can have for this book, especially with the science fiction books. It's better to listen to the books rather than reading books. I believe there are most of the books you can listen to it and you can feel much better, you can imagine much better as compared to the reading. Dune also won. There are 3 books into the Dune. Rather, if you're going to read, then you have to read around 800 plus pages for this book specifically. But if you listen to the book, you can finish it in less than 20 hours if you listen to the 1.5x to x speed. Dune also won the Nebula and the Hugo Award, which I believe one of the world's prestigious award when it comes to science fiction books. So that's the reason why Dune is my another favorite book when it comes to listening to the audiobooks. The book that I want to recommend when it comes to audiobooks is The Lord of Rings by J.R.R. Tolkien. It's one of the best fantasy books after Harry Potter and the Hunger Games, I believe. I read this book a long time ago, but still I feel that there is a lot of missing in this book. Still I feel like go back and read this book. But today, when it comes to today, I don't have that much time. I just opened my Audible app and downloaded the Lord of Rings book and started listening to it once again, just to understand how it feels different when you understand or when you listen over the audiobook as compared to the reading book. And it was absolutely fantastic experience to listen to these audiobooks. Lord of Rings is a story about the Sauron, who is a dark lord. I mean, obviously there is a dark side and there is a good side in this book also. So dark side have all the rings to to conquer the world, to get the power over the world, to the Middle East specifically. But there are this one ring, that is one ring missing, and the title also says that the Lord of Rings. I mean, there is one ring which can control all the rings, and that one ring fall down into the Hobbit area. That ring get to the Bilbo, which is village in the Sharia. उसे वो लिंग मिल जाती है, and he becomes the journey, and the journey starts to destroy that ring. How he went to the different thing, how he passed to the Middle East to the different area. Then there is a fight, there is adventure, there is a betrayal, and how everyone helps to fight with the Dark Lord. It's all about that, how to beat that Dark Lord by that one ring. Frodo को अपना घर छोड़ना पड़ता है. Frodo must leave his home and travel over Middle East to the crack to the doom and destroy that single ring. But there is lot of thing happen in between that thing. Though when it comes to movie, I believe movies are not that good as compared to the book or the audiobook. The only reason is because I believe that movies are way lengthy and a lot of things are missing also in this movie. So I won't recommend you to watch this movie. If you have already watched this, then go listen to the audiobook and then again watch those movie, so you will understand what is actually happened, how many chapters are missing, what is why movies are not able to capture all of those things. Though I believe movies is separate part, you can treat books as a separate part and movies as a separate part. Both are individual, and it's okay even if you're going to watch only movies and not reading the book. But if you are a reader, I will highly suggest you to first read the book and then watch the movie. The third book that I want to recommend is Ready Player One. It's an amazing, great book. So it's a story about the year 2045, and there is a lot of thing going around the world, and there is a Oasis, like you augmented reality or the VR is completely real, and there is Oasis. You have to put those VR and you are into the different world where you can change your color, where you can be whoever you want to be, and that's the story where everything started. There is a one mystery in this book all about the Easter egg, that how whoever find that Easter egg, he becomes the king of that Oasis, who becomes the king of everything. So that's completely into the Oasis. So but the reason why you should listen to the audiobooks, because again the narration part, the detail, the way they told, there is ups and downs into the book, all feels so great. Obviously movie is equally great, there is no doubt, movie is definitely great. I have watched a movie 3-4 times for sure. Even though I have read the book and I have tried audiobooks also. So as compared to the books, I felt audiobook is much better when it comes to Ready Player One. I hope I don't want to give the spoilers how the Easter egg is, what are the things in the Easter egg, but you should definitely check out Easter egg, I mean Ready Player One, and you should definitely listen to this audiobook. Fourth is a kind of a non-fiction book that I want to recommend. Well, it's a Sapien by the Yuval Noah Harari. So it's a great book, to be honest. It's available into the multiple language. I have read this book into around 1 year back, and this year I listened to this book into the Hindi language, I mean regional language. So this book is available into the multiple language. If you're okay with the Hindi, you should definitely go and listen to this into the Hindi, so you will understand all those concepts in a much better way. The Sapiens, it's all about the human psychology, evolution, psychology, how human is the only species that survived for so many years, and human is the only person that is going to study another human. Like we can study ourselves just by looking at the past, like what thing happened into the past, how we evolved, everything, all of this covered in this book. Well, there is a one fact about this book. When one of the interview, he said that it's not like that all the knowledge or whatever the book is into it's from my original source. I just gathered all of the sources and put it into the one book and just made out of that story. So that's the story about the Sapien. If you don't know, that's how the Sapien book is. But if you have not read this book, don't try to read it, try to listen it book, because you will have a lot of time, you will save a lot of time, and you will understand everything in much better way. Last book that I want to recommend is nothing but Bird Box. It's a beautiful book, it's a great book when it comes to audiobooks. The only reason I'm saying Bird Box into the list, because this is perfect for audiobook. If you have watched a movie, then you must know that the Bird Box's movie is all about the sound, like the bird sound. You have to understand the bird sound, and on that sound you have to navigate through your world. You cannot fold, you cannot open the fold. There are so many memes over the Bird Box, but the reason why this is best for audiobook, just because this book is more about the sound, how our sounds are, the senses are really important, and that's the only reason I'm going to suggest to listen to the Bird Box or the Audiobile or whatever platform you prefer. But all of these books are available on the Audiobile, and there is a link in the description where you will get 30 days, 90 days free trial, depends on what category you are, and you will get 90 days free trial, and then you can listen to this all the books. Even a lot of books available into the Audiobile. You should definitely check out that app, and I'm damn sure that you will definitely enjoy the audiobook. So that's all for the today's video. If you are the person who are struggling with the audiobook, then you should make sure you check out this video where I shared how to listen to the audiobooks by step. And if you want to check how audiobooks changed my life, then make sure you check out this video where I shared how audiobooks changed my life. So that's all for the today's video. See you in the next one. Bye bye, tata, take care.